project, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. What's up, good people? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's 2:55 p.m. I want to make myself breakfast. Yeah, breakfast. And as I do that, I'll be answering 15 random questions. So yeah, so let's do this. Take your time. I have bread, 2 eggs. Over here I have some smokies. I'll only have 2. Blue band. So I'm going to have a pan toast and I'll have it with apple juice. Yeah. So let's do this. But before that, let's answer the first questions. I think it's just right before we start. Communication is so important, and also getting to learn the other party. And this applies everywhere, whether it's a family relationship, whether it's a friendship, and any kind of relationship, whether it's work setup. Communication is so important. The way you communicate, listening, and honestly, you would only learn about them through communication. I think so. So I think communication tops it all. So let's get started. My pan is ready. I love rinsing my utensils before use, even though I'm the one who washed them and I'm sure they are clean, but I just have to rinse them in case we have dust or in case there's a cockroach that's walked over there. I'm starting with the bread. And as the pan heats up, As the pan heats up, I'll be applying the blue band on my bread. Event that I'd love to witness in the future is probably my wedding, if I ever have one, and also my proposal, and maybe a different one is a family get together where the whole family meets up and then we are just talking about how far we've come and celebrating our wins. This one is ready. As for me, food presentation is very key. So these ones are also ready. So I added some cooking oil on the pan, just enough for 2 eggs. Some salt for taste. Something that always brings me joy is when my family is happy, when the people around me are happy, when my loved ones are happy. That automatically brings me joy. And when life is just good. The best way for me to spend a weekend morning is to sleep. Yeah, to sleep in. I've been busy the whole week. I've been up and down. I've been working like the whole world depends on me. So it's my time to relax. It's my time to rest. My time to give my body some grace. So I think honestly, to get some good sleep, yeah. Sleep like maybe till past midday, like I did today. And right now, after sleeping that much, I feel so great. I feel so relaxed. I feel so fresh. And I just know the rest part of the day is going to be super productive because I got to rest enough. Yeah. So sleeping. My message to the entire world is be kind. Someone said, you're going through something, I'm going through something. Everybody's going through something. So just be kind because you don't know what the other person is going through. So don't give them a hard time by being inhuman to them. So yeah, just be kind. Yeah. The most interesting place that I've visited is anywhere that has nature. I mean, hills, rocks, trees, like anywhere green, anywhere that is calm, that I just hear the sounds of nature, birds chirping. Anywhere that I've visited that has those things is the most interesting, or I would say my favorite places that I've gone to, and I'd love to revisit them. Yeah. The fact that I don't know how to swim gives me the fear of getting near large water bodies for the fear of drowning. My food is almost ready, so let's answer the last question. I think the challenge that I've overcome recently is overthinking and having so much seats in my mind and in my head. Nowadays, honestly, I'm just living. So my smokies are ready. I love to put them in the serviette just to remove the excess oil before I plate. So yeah, let's do that. Twist and test. And just that way, my breakfast is ready. Finally, my food is ready. I have my cold apple juice, bread, my smokies, eggs, I have a banana, and I have watermelon. And it smells so yummy. So it's time to dig in. I can't wait. I'm hungry, but not like super hungry. So this will act as brunch. It's actually already 3:43 p.m. I've done this for almost an hour. I thought I did it like super fast, but an hour just for this. But I wasn't slow. I think it's because I was cooking as I talk to you guys. But yeah, I love doing that. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so and turn on the post notification. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. I'm a dog, I'm one. I can smoke no empty so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting.